What is going on, guys? It is Parker here, coming back with another video. Today's probably gonna be a little quicker video, but we have this battery to hook up, and then we're gonna give y'all a full demo of course, the two American Bass Elite subs I have in here, and then the 12K Taramps that I installed in the last video. If you've not seen that video, go check it out. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so in the last video, I installed this Taramps 12K amp. This is the MD12000, so super excited to have that installed. I've had it in here right at a week now, and it's been doing absolutely amazing. It does have a fan, so it's kind of noisy compared to other amps, but the thing has not got warm at all yet for me, and it's just been awesome. So, in today's video, well, at least I was not able to do last time, was to get this battery hooked up. So we're going to do that real quick. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. As you can see, sitting right at 12.8 volts. So this battery is in great shape. It's going to be adding it to those two, just so we have a little bit more storage until we decide to switch to lithium, which will hopefully happen sooner rather than later, but we'll just see how it goes. But yeah, let's get to getting this thing hooked up. Alright guys, so we have got that in there. Now I am going to make some sort of tie down, probably have a metal bar going across the top, and then have, I don't know, some sort of way to tie it down to the floor, just so it'll be safer. But yeah, got that in there. Of course, positives and negatives all on the same side, just to make it easier. Now we got to run another positive from here to the battery, and then we just got to run our negative jumper and our positive jumper, and then we'll have this good to go. And of course, if you did not see one of my older videos, I have two strands of 0 gauge going up to the front, and I have this one hooked up that goes to here, but we want two, of course, hooked up to the battery. So that is what we are going to do here next. Alright, so we got that hooked up. Super easy, as you would imagine. Now I was going to get my second 0 gauge hooked up right there, ran to this battery, but I'm actually out of terminals, so I'm going to have to order some more of those probably from Sky High. Now yes, that does mean we have two different types of batteries here. Since these are all used and I got them for a really good deal, don't really care. It's going to work just fine for my application. Now if you were buying all new ones, I would stick with all the exact same type, but for my application, don't think it's going to make a difference whatsoever. But anyway, I suppose let's test this thing out. Alright, everything all hooked up. Now of course the thing has a fan, so it's pretty loud, but we have my AM1 hooked up. Oh, let's see, a little cramp back here. Impedance, real time. Alright, we're going to go to the dyno power mode. Now we're going to play 40 hertz and just see what we get out of this. Now as you can see there, we did have that going up to clipping, so you saw the clipping light come on. But at 1.3 ohms, we got 6,425 watts. Alright, now let's just play some normal music and see what we get. Alright, next up, let's just see what sort of numbers we can get on the meter. First up is going to be 40 hertz. Alright, so 146.8 at 40 hertz. Alright, let's play some music and just kind of see what this thing can do. Guys, it really pushes those things. It's awesome. Starting to get a little stinky, so we are going to give it a second to cool down. Well, there you go, guys. Just a quick video showing y'all what we got going on here. Of course, lots more to come soon. Really need to do alternator. Alternator would be the big thing next. And then, of course, upgrading to some subs. I can max these out pretty easy with this thing. And then, of course, go and do a lithium battery and whatnot after that. But, yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. More videos to come soon. Of course, more sub reviews coming up. And going to keep making this system in the Sequoia better and better. Soon, we're going to have to go to highs and mids and all that. But anyway, yeah, guys, thank y'all so much. Y'all have a wonderful day.